You're most welcome for today's session. Today we are going to demonstrate on how to mix amoxicillin oral suspension. It is 125 milligram per 5 mils. So what you do, you make sure you have your cold boiled water, and then you open your drug, you pick from here. So in this one, when we are mixing, they have already put for us the marks where we are supposed to stop. You just put the water until when it is up to there. The mark is here, you can see. This is where we are supposed to put our water and it is stopped. Then you mix it completely until the powder has dissolved all. Then you give to the patient. So we are going to mix our drug. You open, then after I have my water here, this is cold boiled water, so you put it inside until when it reaches the point we wanted. There. Then after, you close it back. And then you mix it. After pouring your water, you close it back and then you mix it completely until all the powder are dissolved. So after it has dissolved completely, you check whether it has reached the point. Because sometimes, because the powder is down, you pour the water and it reaches here, but after diluting, after mixing, you realize that it has not reached. So you open and you add the water until it comes to that point. Yeah, exactly. But still, you have to mix it a bit. When it is completely dissolved and you're not seeing any powder, then it is ready to be given now to the patient. And we have this medicine measure which always come with this drug together. So this is what we are going to use. It depends on what doctor will prescribe. It starts from 2.5 mils, it goes to 5 mils, and then 10 mils. So when the doctor prescribes that you give 5 mils, you will pour your drug here. So our patient is supposed to get 5 mils. You make sure you put at the high point where it is very easy for you to see whether it has reached that point. Like this. This is 5 mils. You measure 5 mils and then you give to the patient. Yeah. After giving, you wash this thing very well. You make sure actually you get some warm water, you wash it inside, and then you keep it in a safe place for the next use when the time comes.